Being able to actually kayak and be in areas where it's peaceful and you are just surrounded by nature gives you that connection to the marine space, the birds that are on the coast, the sound of the waves. That's what I love. Hi, I'm Nicole from Tassie. I'm out on Browns River in Hobart, paddling my Sport Elite kayak on a gorgeous autumn day. I got into kayaking many years ago because I spent a lot of time around the coast and the ocean. I'm a marine scientist in my background, so the coast is my happy place. I bought a couple of hard shell kayaks. They sit on the garage wall and they're a bit heavier, and my garage, to be able to put them up on top of my car, I need the roof racks for them, and then I can't fit the car in the garage. It's a process and it's extra time. So I don't use the kayaks, the hard kayaks, anywhere near as much as what I would have liked, even though I live very close to the beach. One of the reasons that I bought an inflatable kayak, and the Advanced Elements, was great because it only weighs about, the Sport Elite's like 12 kilos. So I can still lift that very easily when it's fully inflated. I can't lift my hard shell kayak anymore by myself. I just don't, at my age, have the strength to be able to do it. My kayak is called Jarrah, just because it's orange, and I'm in a group where a few of us have got Sport Elite kayaks and they're all orange. The first one was called Pumpkin, and so we then went on the pumpkin theme, so Jarrahdale, but Jarrah for short. Because they're so comfortable to sit in, you can lounge back in them. And so you can be in this pristine environment, lie back, take in the sun and all the sounds, and it's just beautiful days. We do group trips over to the west coast of Tasmania, up into Corinna and the Tarkine, and having the inflatables there means they all pack up in the backs of the car. It's easy to go for a 4-hour drive to get there, and then you can paddle, and it's not all exposed up on the roof for that such a long drive. So the Advanced Elements kayaks, when I tested them with the friends who had them, I could see that they were going to last because of the sort of very tough exterior on them and the extreme conditions that we have here in Tassie. But I felt they were going to be rugged and robust for, more wilderness out there kayaking. You can't go wrong with quality gear because it's going to last you. If you're on the fence and you're thinking about, will you get an inflatable kayak versus a traditional? Inflatable kayak, hands down. The ability to be able to have it as a small, compact bag that fits in the back of your car. You can take it out at a split second. The day's fantastic, the weather's really good, let's go before the wind changes. So much easier than any of the hard shell ones, and so much more comfortable. They're really manoeuvrable, they're easy to lift in and out of cars. I'm not looking back.